So today's video is basically me just being a fool. I was like reading the Harry Styles Rolling Stones interview, The Eternal Sunshine of Harry Styles. I'll link it below. If you haven't seen it, you probably have. And I was looking at his outfits. Sorry. And I was like, I got a frog. I was looking at his outfits and basically I was like, I'm pretty sure I have all of those clothing articles already in my closet, and I kind of wanted to like challenge myself to like recreate the looks because I love how feminine his style is and how he kind of like experiments with a lot of things. So I dragged my sister outside and we like recreated all three of the pictures. So let me know what you think. They're not like perfect. I don't think I look like him. I don't think this is something I'm gonna do regularly, but I thought it was really cool. And I've loved Harry Styles since I was in like 7th grade. So let me know what you think of the final pictures and stuff. Okay, goodbye. Please.
Why don't we go to those bushes?
So for my first Harry Styles look, I modeled it after his denim romper. This is something I wore to Gov Ball 3 years ago? Maybe 2 years ago? So it's a denim romper from ASOS with the front zip. His is more of a boiler suit and it has like a texture to it, but the denim was kind of what I went for. And then I used these glasses that I got from some random boutique at the Jersey Shore, and I put them right in the belt loop like he has it. And then I slicked my hair back and we went into the woods, and we actually found like we had a lot of those weeds with like the dandelion heads on them, so we were able to kind of like recreate the shoot. This is all things I had in my closet, and I feel like it really has the same essence as his look, except like obviously a more feminine version. A ghost wandering in the wilderness. I lost the plant I was going for. My sister abandoned me because she has to go work on a graphic design project, so you are now propped up in a planter. I'm wearing a white wife beater. This one was pretty universal. I feel like everyone has that in their closet. Mine is Mossimo from Target, also known as Target. So he's wearing a kind of structured like driver cap. And I have a few driver caps, but I feel like what made his eccentric and cool was the teal kind of blue color. So I did not have a driver cap that was that color, but I did have a teal beret, which is on my head. And I feel like it kind of still has a similar effect, and I chose color over the style of the item. So that's for the top half. For my bottoms, I'm wearing a brown belt, which came with a fanny pack from ASOS, and it's kind of not the best quality, but it's had a similar brown tone to his belt. And then on my legs, I'm wearing these flared kind of plaza pants, which I borrowed from my sister. They're from Anthropologie. And then I borrowed my mom's silver slides, which are also from Anthropologie. For my third and final Harry Styles recreated / inspired look. I went with a cheetah print scarf that I thrifted a few weeks ago to wear. And then I went with this dusty rose corduroy dress. So that's imitating the kind of rose-colored jumpsuit that he is wearing. His is obviously like a much deeper v-neck because he doesn't have breasts, and also his color is like a little more dark, but considering these are just things that I had in my closet, I was impressed that I was able to find something that had like a similarity. And then his scarf looks like a yellow skinny scarf with like felt or like a stiff fabric polka dot on it, and I didn't have a scarf like that. No offense to him, I think it's kind of ugly, so I kind of went with this, which has like similar tones and like spotting because it's cheetah print. Personally, I think this is probably my weakest look of the three, but the tree is blowing. But I was still impressed that I was able to kind of come up with the essence of all three looks in like the span of half an hour.